How to practice table tennis serve like a pro. Hello, welcome back to PingSunday, the best place to learn table tennis. I'm EmRatThich. Table tennis serve is the most important technique in table tennis, because it is the only shot that you can control. Here is how the top Chinese table tennis players, Gaoyuan and Zhendong, practice their serve with the coach. 0-1 Use the same motion. It's very important to use the same motion, the same gesture, because it is harder for the opponent to guess. Zhendong uses the same motion for the short serve and the long serve. If you loop or attack with the topspin, you should make most of your serves short and low with backspin. If you are an attacker with pips out, you should mostly serve fast long with good placement. If you are a chopper, you should serve deep spinny serves. Once you know which serve set up your game best, work on a motion that lets you serve short or long and with at least 2 different spins with the same motion. (0-2) Serve short with side spin. Look! They always add side spin to the serve, because it is the best way to make the setup serve. When you serve, the most important thing is to use the serves that set up your game the best. Even if you can't win the point with an ace, you can still set up the point so you can play the way you want to. Take the time right now to make a detailed game plan so you can understand your style and your game strengths. (0-3) Be relaxed. Some new players just try to hit as hard as possible. Don't do this. Just relax and hit at the right moment. In practice, you should try to spin the ball so much that about 60% of your serves will go wrong. If you don't miss any serves, that's a good sign that you aren't trying hard enough. Most of the time, you should miss about 1 serve per match in a tournament. You will hurt yourself if you miss too many serves. Be relaxed to reduce the serve error in table tennis. (0-4) Serve as low as possible. Look, the height of the serve is very low. It's very hard for the opponent to attack this serve. A lot of players try to spin the ball, but controlling the height of your serve is just as important, if not more so. Contact the ball as low as you can. 0-5 Think about the placement. It's very important. Look at the way that the Chinese coach verifies the placement of the ball. And look, the ball has a lot of side spin. The ball jumps from left to right. So it's a high-quality serve in table tennis. Keep in mind that quality is more important than quantity. Few really good serves that you can count on under pressure will help you more than a lot of serves that you can't keep short or low when you need to. Learn from the best. Pay close attention to how the pros and best players serve, and then copy them without shame. Don't forget that these players have spent a lot of time at the table perfecting a serve that works at the highest level. The better your serves will be, the more you can copy what they do. Thank you very much. If you find my tutorial helpful, please support me for my free table tennis coaching. Don't stop working on it. Consider serving practice a must, not just something you do when you can't find a training partner. Anyone's table tennis game will improve a lot if they practice serving for 5 hours per week.